Let's double check the BENQI targets updates with my custom indicator set. Yes, we are inside the global accumulation zone. So unfortunately, yes, we dump it so low. Not almost, yes, we at historical all-time low. The positive case, guys, scenario for this token, this is 10 cents. Yes, it sounds unrealistic now. Of course, I never believe in new all-time high for this token because it's so high, price like 41 cents, you know, but monthly gap like 9 cents 91 and 13 cents 68, it's more than real to see. And you know, the main point, this token should be exist on centralized exchanges like Binance and many other. Good moment for this token, all tokens in circulation supply. So there's no seller pressure from some unlocks or so. 23 million market capitalization, FDV 23 million, so everything equal, all tokens in circulation supply. And if the some venture funds, if the market makers get a plan to pump the altcoins, you can see the significant move on this token to, I don't know, 5 cents, 10 cents. It's hard to believe now, but it will be still under 1 billion market capitalization. The highest point of the market cap was 334 million. So with current circulation supply, 100 tokens in circulation supply, 10 cents, it will be the twice bigger market capitalization, 720 million market cap. Even if we imagine the 5 cents, it will be new all-time high basically on market cap. Yes, but 5 cents. 5 cents, it's around here. So maybe we're gonna just test zero level. If we count in the gains, the potential gains from current low, let's count. It's not like crazy profit. So it's 1,500% gains. Yes, it's a crazy profit in like for the traders, but not for crypto investor who always waiting some 5,000%, 10,000% gains or so. But the good moment, guys, all tokens in circulation supply, and from the low to test 10 cents, it's 3,000% gains. And it can be the end of cycle for this token. Maybe we're gonna, with a weak candle, just hit 11 cents 71, 3,600 and finish the right? So we can't know. But 5 cents more than real to see, basically. You saw the examples on alts when some random token perform like crazy this cycle, you know, and after that just dump it back. That's why if the guys get a plan, manipulate this token like speculation and put the price so high, just you can be sure we can sweep this high like 2 cents 82, 3 cents 89. So here we been in zone 23 at 0.204, and now we landed and pump it to almost 4 cents. Now we traded at 0.2031, and we can pump to 5 cents, for example, to new all-time high by market capitalization, and we'll see the 1,500% gains. So this from this low, it was the 860%, and it will be the twice bigger gains. Maybe we'll finish the right here, the new all-time high by market cap, but only the 5 cents target. So everything possible. If we double check the markets by volume, so the problem is not a big volume for this token. Even on the Binance, it's like just 242K daily volume. It's not a big one. And so the crucial moment for BENQI is to be still tradable on on the Binance, like a main liquidity provider, because like you can see on a Coinbase, everybody hype it when some token listed on the Coinbase, but guys, Coinbase not got that liquidity maybe like on a Binance. For example, I'm not shilling you the Binance, but I say about if the token exists on centralized exchanges like a Binance, maybe the Bybit or even the Max sometimes provide a bigger volume than Coinbase. So it's so crucial to be still tradable on a Binance. Because if, for example, the Binance will add this token, I don't know why, for some reason, that adds into under monitoring tag, It can be the right signal for this token. Definitely sooner or later we will rebound and test the yearly open. So in 2026 we can retest the yearly open of previous year. It's a 2025 open. It's 110.6. This one. Now some money inflow during the last 4 weeks. In November, somebody accumulated this token. So I will be not surprised if we will drop another leg down and see some money inflow again. So technically we lay down at the bottom now. Monthly, we also lay down at the bottom, but without any money inflow. The last money inflow was in August 24. So let's add alert to this money inflow, money power indicator, money inflow into the BENQI. It's going to be the good signal for everyone. So monthly also here 410.47, 43 is can be the full fill of monthly gap and around 510 new all-time high on the market cap. So it can be the also top, but the crazy top is here. Based on a weekly time frame, sell, no signal to buy yet, no signal also to take profit from the sell. It's kind of bad. Daily. Here was October 10, and this is one of not so many tokens which drop it down October 10 and going down, continue going down, because so many tokens form the week and rebound and close something like this one. BENQI going just down. Here was a sell, take profit, some buys, no signal to buy. Let's add alert also to signal to buy on a daily and track it. And ADZ direction. This is accumulation. This is a kind of distribution. It's kind of weird, but it's a fact. So that's why I will be not surprised if we'll see another leg down. So no rush, guys, to buy now. Of course, if you believe in this project, you can buy any token in the spot if you believe in it. So it's your strategy, it's your plan. I don't want to buy any token now for the spot because I'm already done with the spot follow. This is daily distribution. It's kind of weird. Weekly, soon we will see the accumulation. So with a huge divergence. So here was accumulation. In March 2025, we formed the low divergence and wish to see even lower. Some accumulation on the direction indicator. 12 time frame. It's kind of weird. Take a look. How it even possible. So here, accumulation, pump, and distribution. I guess it was some leasing on some exchange. Definitely leasing on some exchange. Maybe the usual upbeat. So ADZ we can close on a daily. Take a look. The market mood. It's capitulation, definitely capitulation on a weekly, even the monthly capitulation. So here, since August, we're in capitulation zone. It's good. August, September, October, November, December, 4 months in a row, capitulation. It's good. So technically only now, it's more than okay during the last 3 months, accumulate this token for the spot. All this same period, it was just a noise. All right. Money power I showed you, trade on I showed you, take profit, guys. The last indicator, it's here. For the MEL value of this token on the daily, it's 0.2026. On the daily. Weekly, definitely we saw underrated. Here, 0.2056, it's test below the fundamental value of this token, like it was here, for example. And take profit is 1.49. Sooner or later, guys, we're going to test the take profit. It's just a matter of time. Monthly, I guess there is no data. Yes, the daily I showed you, and the 12 time frame. 12 time frame, we can retest the buy line. So let's add alert buy line also. Take profit, the buy line on 12 time frame. This one is 0.2026. So it's more than real to see. From now, guys, it's a 20% drop. So just be careful. Be careful because we can see that another drop down. All targets, guys, I showed you my idea, explained it to you. I will share this local idea and maybe the global one on trading. You will come back and track it. If you like to trade with my customer, because I will show in this video, just write in the DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.